what are court costs or costs in relation to your personal injury or civil litigation matter? So whenever you have a personal injury case and you are potentially going to trial, a trial being the sort of final stage of litigation in front of a jury, you need to be aware of the risk of losing. Because if you lose at trial, and by the way, just because you are not at fault for the accident doesn't mean you are absolutely winning your trial. Remember, there's liability and then there's damages, right? There's two components to your case. But anyway, if you decide that you want to go to trial and you lose, then you as the loser of the trial would have to pay court costs, which is usually the amount of time and money on a substantial or partial indemnity basis, having to pay to the other side because you lost. Now, if you go to trial and you win, they pay you the court costs, which is awesome. You're going to make way more money on top of what your case is worth, which is amazing. But going to trial is risky, guys. So you need to be aware of the potential of losing. Now, consult with your personal injury lawyer. They will walk you through the steps. They will tell you whether it's worth it to roll the dice at trial, because sometimes going to trial really is rolling the dice, and that is a lot of money to potentially be playing with. So it's a very big decision. You ideally don't want to lose a trial, although it does happen. Consult with your personal injury lawyer. They will walk you through whether it is worth it to go down that road. If there's any questions, let me know.